Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Today, today we will had a podcast with Fadel and me about education system in Indonesia. But before, we wanna introduce ourselves. My name is Rakdan. I'm from XDKV, and this is also Fadel. He's from 10 XDKV too, same as me. And then just like the title in the TV, Education Indonesia, we will discuss about the positive things and the negative things the education system in Indonesia, because many of education system in outside country like maybe America, Europa, or somewhere, the education system is more good than Indonesia. And then Indonesia is the one of the education system that left behind from the others. Then I want to talk about this with Fadel. So can you tell about the negative things or positive things about education system in Indonesia?
Okay, first maybe I just wanna talk about the maybe the negative one, that is in Indonesia, especially in the education system in Indonesia. That is the there are so many lot of rules that for me it's not really not even I mean like nggak bermanfaat. Not useful at all. Just like we have hair rules, that is we are not allowed to have long hair. I mean that is not even
Logic. Logic.
that that not even logic as the in education. Why we are forbidden to have long hair? Maybe that's one point for me. So maybe Rakdan can continue.
Okay, the when the Fadel talk about is correct, like must use the haircut because like maybe there's some reason, but for me in the education there is no about like must cut hair because it's long and others. And then the education system in Indonesia is far away from the education system at outside. Like take a look, there is some of school that get the education system is from the the environment government, I'm sorry, government that is like at negeri and others. And as you can see, the system is at the school is so bad. Like for example, Kurikulum Merdeka, like also you can see the differences of the education system past education system with now is very different. Like at the past, like there is name Cerdas Cermat show. Primary school also like good at math and others. While if we use the Kurikulum Merdeka and now, as you see the content at the outside, they can know what is like 2 multiple 4, like that for example. And then actually I like the education system is from Indonesia that in the past before Kurikulum Merdeka there is. So Indonesia still had a gold years, like many of champion and others because of the education system from Indonesia. And then if you see the Chinese school with Indonesia school, it's very different. Like for example, Cherry, if you know Cherry school, it's at my school, Cherry. And then if you see the others of how to say like swasta at Indonesia is so different because they not let a student like maybe you must memorize this, you must memorize this, and then came to me and then deposit it. No, so they learn until they master it and then they start to memorize it. For example, like that. Because my sister school is the education system is from Finland, and then I see the differences from primary school and then the high school one. So it's very different. Like there is some people say like this school and this school is the same time of like they go home at the same time 3 o'clock, but the education is so far away. If at Indonesia like negeri or maybe swasta, if I at Indonesia they had many of jam kos free time, many of free time at Indonesia. But if in the school that there is education system from the other country, they had no free time at the school, so they focus and very hard to learn. Like
Yeah.
it's the real school. Like if you
Like,
see it.
There is a teacher. There is
Yeah.
a teacher that is
This-
have
the teacher-
less
yes.
attention to their students, right?
Yes, especially that the less attention to a student. Like so the teacher just there is some school that the teacher just play phones, doesn't care with the student that they're learning about, and then even the worst is the student invite their teacher to play game at the time when they studied like that. It's very worse. Like where you just can't focus to learn, but why you just play games, especially with teachers like that. Teachers must have a good example for their student, but not like this. It's the education system in Indonesia. And then for me, education system in Indonesia is very left behind from the others. Indonesia just use the classic one, but bad, very bad. And if the other country they already move forward 2 steps ahead, like they know like this, they know A, B, C, and others. So the student from the other country is very smart, like China, and Indonesia is the same, but the education system in there is very different. Yes, like that.
Yeah. And also for me, I want to talk about maybe one of the biggest problem in Indonesia. One of them, I think, in the education system, that is quality and access. Some schools in big cities are great, but like in rural areas, school might lack teachers or facilities. Also, the curriculum sometimes focus too much on memorization. That is I think that we don't need to have so much time to like memorization our thing or our topic in education. We just have to, like understand it. Like
Yes.
we don't need to like everything have to memorization, and memorization. This is
Yes.
very like
Yes, like that. And then maybe if an education system in Indonesia, there is so many rules at school that might be very useless to the student.
yeah, like that.
Yes. For example, like the hair, and then and others like that. Like you can bring this, bring that, but maybe the the item that they bring is maybe very useful for their education, but for at the rules there is they can't bring that. So like, yeah, if you can see at other country or like for example America and others, their haircut is long and didn't short, but the minority is maybe short and maybe there is the bald one. But like why they must focus on the hair, why not the education one? So the bad is education system in Indonesia is like that. Like that.
And also I was just confused a little about our time. I mean, like time in education system in Indonesia, like in KBM. I mean, how to say KBM? I mean, it's too long maybe if we compare with the Japan one. I mean, like I've been read the article that is saying in Japan, the students were just going to school until the afternoon. I mean, like in 12 o'clock. But in Indonesian, we was going to school until the 3 o'clock. I mean, like it was closer to Maghrib, and there is for me, it was a little too long. Then what we got, a lot of students in Indonesia got nothing about it.
But actually, the time that get to use long is very useful. But if the school is had the rules that they must fulfill all the time about learning and learning,
Yeah.
like I ever had a friend that
Yeah.
he said it's been so free time at school from morning until noon. Like seriously, there is no about learning time and others. But if you can see at the school in Indonesia, but with the system, education system from the other country, they had the full learning, full. They saw full learning from the 8 o'clock until 3 o'clock. It's
Yeah.
very useful. From.
But I don't know what makes our people like this.
Okay.
We are really different from any country in outside. That is make us left behind than the other countries. That's why. But I didn't say that it's wrong about the long time of KBM.
Yeah,
But
I get it.
I just really confused. Why is a lot of students in Indonesia didn't use their time in a good way? I mean, like in
Yeah, yes.
do a better thing with your time. Okay. So maybe just that for me.
Okay, and maybe that's all from me too. Sama like Fadel, and thank you for hear our podcast.
Podcast. Okay.
Sorry if our voice didn't clear at all, cause
And-
we still shy to talk.
Sorry if I have a lot of mistakes about.
Yeah, and then also
maybe
me
pronounces
that
or
maybe
something
pronounce and
like
bad English about us, and maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
that.
Eh.